So today I'm looking at PIKA Scenes, okay? Now, PIKA Scenes allows you to add multiple images into PIKA, okay? And then it basically creates a scene and a story depending on the prompt you give it. And what's really great about PIKA Scenes is that whatever images you input into it, as far as I can see, it tries to stay true to the image that you've uploaded. So I went for something a bit wild today. I did a Batman scene, and I've got an image of Big Ben. So I got quite a good image of Big Ben from Canva. Then I got a generic image of Batman in a suit, and I got a generic image of the Joker. That's the Joaquin Phoenix Joker. And I try to get the full body images of each character so that, you know, PIKA can identify and try to recreate the animation and recreate the image into a proper consistent animation. And then I put this prompt in: a towering skyscraper sized Batman and Joker uploaded images are locked in an epic battle while climbing Big Ben. Batman grips the clock hands for support while Joker cackles wildly, dangling from the tower using one hand, repeatedly punching Batman in the face. So I wrote a kind of version of this, and then I went to ChatGPT just to kind of define it more. So I asked ChatGPT, please can you give me a more detailed prompt that I could input into PIKA, and this is what ChatGPT came up with. And then I uploaded the images, put the prompt in, and then it came up with this. Okay, so this is actually the second attempt, so you can see it's pretty cool, I must say. I'm very impressed. Batman's face, a little bit blurry or a little bit inconsistent at the start, but still good. Joker looks amazing. I think that's fantastic for what PIKA is, this kind of tool for the everyday person to use. We know that if you want to harness the power of true AI, then you need to be really an expert in it, and to kind of train a model to create really great consistent stuff, as far as I can tell. I'm not expert, by the way. I'm just a guy trying to learn some AI, and so that's pretty impressive. So before, I had a different kind of prompt. It was a bit too wild, and it came up with this video. So the prompt before was basically me saying the Joker is on top of the tower with Batman and he's throwing cards at him. Thought it'd be cool to see if it could get these kind of little details, to put some more action in there. So I need to experiment with that. But as you can see, it's just Batman's kind of grabbing the cards there, which is pretty cool, but it's not really, doesn't really work as a scene. But the second one, as you can see, I haven't given it too much action, and it's pretty consistent. And the background, I just think, is amazing. And I think one of the reasons why the background is amazing is because the higher quality image you can find, the more PIKA, I think, has to work with. So that's pretty cool there. So that's PIKA Scenes for you. Check out my other videos where I've gone through PIKA frames, PIKA effects. Because if you were like me when you were starting out and you didn't know the difference, I just went in and just started to use all the tools like crazy. And that's PIKA Scenes. Give it a go. And I'm going to try and create some more creations, a bit more wild ones, a bit more personal ones. I think I'll start putting myself in the video soon.